I am Kyle Kelly, and I am the glue line scheduler at Laminate Works. My nickname is Fisherman. Through my process of getting hired on at Laminate Works, I was going on a fishing trip. And then when I got back, my training paperwork actually had Fisherman as my last name because my boss, Jason Reed, actually thought that was my last name. It was used so much. About 3 or 4 guys around the office now, definitely, that's the only name that they refer to me as, and so it's stuck. I started back in August of 2018. I was hired as the glue line scheduler, so all the production that we do, all the panels that we glue together, comes through me. I make sure that we've got the material and everything so that we can go ahead and get it scheduled for production. One new skill I've learned, basically problem solving. Here at Laminate Works, there's actually key objectives that you can basically go to and from to actually pinpoint resolutions. There's definitely a lot of different ways that you can solve things, and actually taking the time and reviewing all of those possibilities really helps you fine-tune to what is going to work best for that problem. I'm on the operations scheduling team. Basically, we schedule all of production for all of our material. So there's a team of about 3 or 4 of us at a time, and we basically go through the process from point A to point B till the product gets to our customer. I like the environment. It's a very open environment. A lot of the people that you work with are very friendly, very helpful. There's not one person around that will tell you no if you go and ask something. Well, as my nickname, I do a lot of fishing outside of work. I'm also big on disc golf, so if I ever get the time to get outdoors, whether it be fishing, disc golf, or even hanging out with the dogs, I look to spend most of my time outside. It was quite different as compared to any regular 5K. Overall, I had a great time. We were all there for each other, whether you struggled at certain parts, there was always somebody there to cheer you on and get you through it. It's really cool that we were given the opportunity to do those types of things outside of a work environment. I'd probably have to go with Larry, one of our supervisors on the manufacturing side, just because I know he has an Army background and he's probably got some skill or asset that he hasn't quite told somebody. I would choose a sword or something that I wouldn't have to rely on ammo, or something that I could just constantly have around.